Hi viewers, welcome to Draw and Design. Our today's topic is planar projections, parallel views. As we left this topic incomplete in our past video, today we will discuss in detail about parallel views and all the types. We made the three-dimensional object and all the diagrams of views will be shown from this object. Please watch full video, subscribe to my channel and let's get started. A parallel projection is a projection of an object, in three-dimensional space onto a fixed plane, known as the projection plane or image plane, whereas the rays or lines of sight are parallel to each other. The projection is divided in two types, due to perpendicular or non-perpendicular, rays to the image plane. This chart shows all types and subtypes of parallel projection. When the projection lines does not form a straight angle with the image plane, we call it a skewed view or oblique projection. Based on the types of the angles formed with plane, oblique views are further divided into three types. Projection plane making different angle between all three axes is cabinet view. Making 135-degree angle along z-axis, and angle of x and y-axis is 90 is military view. Making 135-degree angle along x-axis, and angle of y and z-axis is 90 is Cavalier View. Orthographic view is a parallel projection, in which all the projection lines are orthogonal to the projection plane, resulting in every plane of the scene appearing in affine transformation on the viewing surface. Based on the angles between the axis of projection plane and the transformation of surface, these are divided in two types. The axonometric projections are categorized after the angle the projection plane creates with the main axis. In orthogonal projections, the projection plane is parallel with the main axes in the object. These are typical widespread projections. Based on the angles between the axis of projection plane, axonometric view are of three types. All axes making same angle with each other is isometric view. Only two angles along z-axis are equal is diametric view. All angles between every axis is different is trimetric view. Orthogonal or multi-views are of four main types. Revealing all parallel view from first side is first angle view. Revealing of all parallel view from third side is third angle view. To show only one face of an object, from top is a plan view, and showing only front side is elevation view. Inside AutoCAD we can see and apply these orthogonal views and isometric views, from View dialog box. Planar projections are very basic knowledge of drawing and designing works. Thanks for watching. Please hit like if you like the video and subscribe my channel.